In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ambient music-free BandLab. We'll build a calm, evolving soundscape using tools that are already available in BandLab, and we'll keep the process simple and relaxing. Start by creating a new project in the mix editor. Set the tempo between 60 and 90 beats per minute. That slower pace gives your sounds room to breathe. Keep the time signature at 4/4 to start, since it's the most straightforward for steady, spacious textures, and you can experiment later once you're comfortable. Ambient music thrives on pads and atmospheres, so we'll begin there. Open BandLab's free sounds and use the search bar to find pad, ambient, string pad, choir, or synth pad. Drag one of those sounds into a track and hold down long, sustained notes rather than playing anything rhythmic. Think of it like painting with sound. Let each tone bloom and fade. To make the texture richer, layer 2 or 3 different pads on separate tracks. Pan them gently left and right to widen the stereo image, and lower their volumes so nothing feels harsh or dominant. You want a soft foundation that feels balanced and immersive. Next, introduce a simple, soft melody to float on top. Choose an instrument like electric piano, a gentle soft synth, bell, or marimba. Keep your playing slow and sparse. Long notes or a very relaxed arpeggio work beautifully in this style. Leave space between phrases so the tails of your sounds can breathe. Add plenty of reverb to this melodic track to help it sit inside the atmosphere rather than on top of it. Now shape the space with gentle effects. Start with reverb. Try a large hall or plate to create depth. Increase the decay time and wet mix until the sound feels spacious, but pull back if it starts to wash out the detail. Add a slow ping-pong delay for soft echoes that drift from ear to ear and reinforce the sense of motion. For subtle movement inside your pads, try a light chorus or flanger with a low depth and a slow rate. If you want a touch of warmth, add a small amount of tape saturation or very slight distortion, just enough to thicken the tone without adding grit. To keep the track evolving, automate your reverb and delay over time. Slowly increase the effect for a swell into new sections, then reduce it when the melody arrives, so the piece breathes naturally. That's all you need to craft a soothing, ambient piece in BandLab. Keep levels gentle, trust the space, and let the textures do the storytelling.